Hello, it's James here from Prestashop, and I will show you how to configure our Infinite Scroll module to work with your custom theme. Please note that after installation, the plugin is pre-configured to work with the default Prestashop theme, but for this example, we changed it just to show you how to make it work. As you can see, for this demo, we are using Prestashop 1.6 and the number of products per page is set to 2 just to have several pages that we can scroll through. First of all, we head to the back office, modules page, and we search for the term infinite. For us, the module is already installed, but in any case, just press configure. After the page loads, scroll down to advanced options, and these are the 4 values that we must edit. As told you earlier, these are intentionally changed so not to work in our example, simulating a customized theme behavior. The browser is Google Chrome, but Mozilla Firefox also has a similar built-in tool or an extension called Firebug. The process is similar, so feel free to use the one you really prefer. Right-click with the mouse around the product image, possibly within the product row, and select Inspect. In the window that loads, we need to identify an element which is repeating and what actually holds the product. In our case, it's a list element and we need to copy its common class name, which in this example is Ajax _ block _ product. Now we head back to the back office and paste it in the field item selector. Important: a dot is necessary before the expression, and as a safety reason we can also add li, stating that this is a list element and not something else with the same class name. Now we need to find the product list container, which here is a UL, meaning unordered list in HTML terms, and we need to copy its style sheet called product list. Head back to admin and paste it inside the list selector field. Next, we need to find the pagination or navigation section and find the parent element style sheet, what we paste inside the navigation selector field. Adding UL before is again only for safety reason, but all should work just fine without. Lastly, we need to find the element that will point to the next page, which our plugin uses to load the next set of products. Obviously, this is the next link, but this time the actual element, which is an A, standing for anchor, has no style sheet, forcing us to point to it from its container li element. Remember, always use the class name and not the ID. Head back to the back office for the last time and paste the expression into the last field, adding a space and an A after it. This will work perfectly, but again, for safety reasons we can specify that we want to use the last anchor element, as we saw examples where several others were added to the list container. Now, as we filled in everything, click Update to save settings and head back to front office. Close the Inspect window is still open and reload the page. As we scroll down, we can see that a new button appeared, enabling to load more products without page refresh. If we did everything correctly, pressing it will load 2 more products and voila, it works, allowing us to keep going on and on. As in this example, we pressed it 2 times and we ended up on page 3, where another click loads the end of the list. This is it. It's quite simple, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed this guide, and if you have questions or other problems, feel free to contact us and we will be glad to help you. Till next time.